Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write content, to do your content marketing on your Facebook page as an advertiser. I see many people advertising, as I own Facebook advertising agency, I see many people running ads and their Facebook page is without content. They're just interested in just running their ads, no content, no authority, there is no engagement on their page. And what I mean by engagement is no valuable content that will position them as authority. That's not too good. In fact, research shows that it could affect your quality score, to affect your cost per results. Okay, so in that sense, I decided to add this to this video course. So in this video course, I will be discussing how to create engaging posts, how to use ChatGPT to create engaging posts on Facebook page. The engaging post is all about content marketing. You want to position yourself as an authority. Then how to select the right campaign objective. You can use your ChatGPT to help you to know the right campaign objective that you need to select while running your ads. Not only that, you talk about audience research. You can also use ChatGPT to create to do your audience research. Okay, know the right audience to test when you are running ads for a particular industry or niche. Then create converting ad copy. Okay, I do all this myself. What I'm showing you now is from experiences, from what I have done in my Facebook advertising agency that is really working for me. Then create attention grabbing headline. They know the right call to action to use, okay, for a particular campaign. So without wasting time, okay, let's dive in. And you can see these are it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 areas I'm going to cover in this video. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, to start with, now there are some facts you need to know about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI model. Okay, it is not connected to the internet, so it's just connected to billions of database. Okay, so we have the free version, we have the paid version. So for me, I use the free version. Okay, everything you need for the for you to do what I want to teach you, you can use the free version. Well, if you know that you have big time clients that are paying you each amount of money, that's when I can talk about the paid version. Okay, so nevertheless, the free version is okay for you too. And how do you get connected to ChatGPT? It's very simple. Just go to OpenAI. You can say charge, go to google.com, then you can now type ChatGPT, or sign up and all that. So come here. Then this is the link chat.open.ai. Once you click here, so I have my own opened already. Okay, so for the ChatGPT, don't be afraid to get creative with your prompts. Okay, now there are some basic information you need to know about ChatGPT. Okay, it is text-based, and that makes it to give you results, okay, without wasting time. Although for the paid version, you get faster results. Okay, for the free version, your result, whatever you get from your ChatGPT, the 3.5 version, is limited to September 21st. Okay, anything on facts you want to get, who is the president of Nigeria? Okay, the president of Nigeria, current president of Nigeria, was elected after September 21st. Yeah, so about September 2021. He may not be able to give you that, okay, because it is not connected to the internet. It's connected to billions of databases. Okay, they already stored or you get. Okay, so let's know that. So whatever you can see, let me show you the interface. I do use ChatGPT a lot. I use it to do amazing. You can see what I've been using it for, amazing things. So if I come here, new charts, you can see the interface. We have 3.5, we have GPT-4. Okay, this is paid version, this is free version. Okay, design a database scheme. You can use it to do so many things. You can use it to write software codes. You can use it for programming. It makes your work easier. Okay, it will not replace human being. It will really replace people that are not creative, taking advantage of ChatGPT. Okay, so this is how it works. You do the thinking, why ChatGPT does the heavy work, heavy, just like your personal assistant. So you put in what you want, you put in what you want there. We call it prompts. Whatever you type in here, this text-based interface, this search bar, we call it what? We call it prompts, and it gives you your results. So your prompting is the rating. You must know how to put the right prompting, okay, for you to get good result from ChatGPT. Okay, so let me just show you an example. Can you list the importance of Facebook advertising? Advertising. So that's just a very simple prompt, and let's see the results. Can you list the importance of Facebook advertising? Okay, so you can see so this is a post already. I'm generating a post already. Facebook advertising offers several important benefits for businesses and marketers. Here are some of the key reasons why it is considered important. You can see how many reasons now, 15 reasons. So you can see ASAP, I've generated what? A content and importance of Facebook advertising. You can see the way it came out, text-based. So you can use it for so many. So this is a Facebook post already that I'm going to use and send to my, let me do that. So you see, so you can see that this is very, very, very important. So I just use it to generate a content. So want to save time on writing, then use ChatGPT. Need some inspiration, quotable quotes. Okay, ask ChatGPT for some writing prompt and let the ideas flow. Tired of reading boring report, ask ChatGPT to jazz them up for you. You can even tell ChatGPT to convert one language from English to Yoruba, Yoruba to Igbo. You can tell ChatGPT to write quotable quotes for you on Facebook advertising, on, different research that you can do with it. Most important thing is the prompt. And I have some prompts here. What are some tips for getting the most out of ChatGPT for specific task for Facebook advertiser? Can you give me some advice on how to fine-tune ChatGPT for writing content on Facebook advertising? How can I use ChatGPT to dash more effectively, to run and to create content more effectively? What are some best practices for working with ChatGPT? So these are prompts that you can put in, and you will get so many results. So you need to be very, very creative when you are writing using ChatGPT. Then you talk about generating engaging content ideas. I need to create content around Facebook and around content marketing. Can you give me some suggestions? Okay, let me copy it and put on the prompts. I go to where I have my ChatGPT. Okay, can you create content around let me just put Facebook advertising. Can you give me some suggestions? I need to create content around Facebook advertising. Can you give me some? Let's look at what will happen. You see, beginner's guide to Facebook advertising, advanced strategy, case studies, video tutorials, ad formats, explainers, targeting tips, budgeting and bidding strategies, ad creatives, best practice, Facebook pixel. You can write you can create content on all what ChatGPT was suggested to you. You can now go further. Okay, how can I create that will remain relevant and interesting for a long time? Okay, just copy it. How can I create content on Facebook advertising that will remain relevant and interesting for a long time? Let's put it there. How can I create that will retain relevant and interesting, that will remain relevant? Let's send the message out. Let's see the response. Evergreen content, foundation content, updates. So these are content series, in interactive content, best practices. So these are content that you can create and send to. In fact, you can just say, I can say, can you create? You can see the prompt. The prompt is, can you create content ideas on Facebook advertising that I can use on my Facebook page? Okay, for a month. Let's see. So just content ideas. Okay, see, week 1, introduction to Facebook advertising. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay, week 2. Okay, welcome post, benefit of Facebook advertising, ad types overview, targeting options, budgeting tips. So these are content that you can create for 31 days, for a whole month. You can see the way you generated this. Let's say this is for the month of February. You can now say generate more. You can see that I've created content for a whole month that will post on my Facebook page. So this is content marketing. Okay, so this is how you use the ChatGPT to be creative and innovative, and you can create it for your Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, for any social media platform. And I'm going to give you a link where you can see how you can use one of the tools that I have to create content. Okay, and so I believe you can start from here and you get creative about it. So let me go to, I will give you this link. So you can create content on social media, you can copywriting, that's when to write your ad copy, your headline, Facebook ads, lead generation. So for the purpose of this class, I've talked about content marketing, how you can create content for your ad copy. So I created one content the other time. Okay, Facebook advertising offers several important benefits. So let me use this and show you how you can use this as to create on your post. I have a site I use to just for fonts. If I need bold font, I come here, lingojam.com. So I can come here, I will choose a very bold font. So I'll come here, I'll come to my Facebook page. Now, if you want to create content, if you want to post on your page, I would advise that you use your MetaSuit. If you are using a phone, you can use Creator Studio. Okay, if you're using your laptop, you can use business suite. Let me click on business suits. So you can come here. You see it. You can choose your page. I have so many pages. So I want to use Mrs. Daramola. I have so many pages I manage Mrs. Daramola. So this Mrs. Daramola. So I'll go to create content. Then you come in, you paste the visit. That's the headline. Then I'll come in, then get all the contents. No problem. I can only separate it. You can see very lengthy. So these contents, I'll come to so where is that Facebook stuff? Okay, I'll come here and paste this one here. So I can now come here and do my editing. Sorry. I'll come here, remove this guy. Then I like putting dash just to make it readable. Okay. So this is how you create your content. So you can always try it out. I can talk about benefit, importance, just value. Okay. When you are posting content, you are giving value. Okay. So, and the essence of that is to position yourself as an authority so that when they consume your content, they know that, oh, this guy can help me. This guy is really the guy I've been looking for. So this content, you can now come and say, what are you waiting for? Okay, waiting for. So you can go ahead and put, if you have a video, you can, that's why I like using business suits. You can create a free video here in benefit of Facebook ads. You can go to Canva. You can see benefit of, I have all this template already, benefit of Facebook ads. So I can, double click, duplicate these things. I would say benefits of benefits of Facebook advertising. Then I can use it as a video. I can also use it as an image. So I like PNG because it's light. Choose number 1 and send it out. Yeah, so let's see. So is here, it's downloading, so it's done. So I can come here and pick it up. So let me quickly pick it up. So I'll go back to what I'm doing. So I'll come to photo, upload from my system. I'll go to downloads. I'll select this page, to this date, 6. Then let me enlarge the images so I'll know this guy. Okay, so that's it. So this is the content. Yeah. Then if you want to spice it up, you can also use emojis. You can even tell ChatGPT to use emojis for content. Okay, not your art copy. You can see it. I can now come here. There is a site for emojis, Emojipedia, emojipedia.org. So you come here, you can get different emojis. Let me use this emoji. Click on it, then copy it, then come to where you have your stuff. So for every benefit, You put your emoji there. For your content, just to make it easier for people to consume it, you can see that it's making sense now. So that's it. So I'm done. So cool. So the next thing I will do is just to come here. So you can see that this is not highlighted because it's still uploading the image. Okay. So that's that. That's how you post your content. So you can go ahead and use what I have here. I have so many stuff you can use for your marketing, for like social media posts you can use to generate your social media posts. Okay. So while waiting for this, let's see if it is done. Let me see if I can refresh it. It's wasting a lot of time. Let me refresh this. You can see the way it's going to appear. Today's 6th. Pick your image. The internet is very clear. You can see it. So look at the way it's going to appear. Very neat. Very, very neat. Then you publish it. That's all. So this is how you create content. So if I go to that page now, I will see this post on that page. I will definitely see this post. So is as I don't want to boost. Actually, let's note this, that boosting, when you are running Facebook ads, you have the front end and the back end. When you are posting content, Facebook will tell you to boost your posts. That is just boosting, is just engagement. The other one for engagements, okay? So if you want to run ads, go to the back end and run your ads. Say selector. So I'm done with that. And then if I say, let me go to that Facebook page, let me go there and see facebook.com. Let me visit the page. Okay. So I'm on the page now. Do you see? I will like it. Can comment. And share it. So that's it. Okay, so let's go to the second part where we talk about campaign selection. Okay, you want to run a campaign. Let's say you want to run a campaign. Okay, can you suggest the campaign objective to use if I am promoting if I'm promoting, let me say promoting ring lights. Using Facebook ads. Okay, so you can be creative about this prompt. Okay, the most important thing is that you want Let's see. Let's see. Let's see the response. So traffic campaign objective, conversion, catalog sales, lead generation, video views, brand awareness, and engagement. Okay, so depending on what you want to achieve, what's your goal? Okay, what is your goal? So this will now help you, traffic. Your main objective is to drive traffic to your website. So look at your campaign objective. You want to send ring lights. What's your goal? Okay, if you want to generate generate leads, it has analyzed that, oh, you can use these campaign objectives. Okay, and we'll now explain it to you. Okay, so from here, you can now look at it and say, okay, based on the explanation here, let me go with this. Okay, so for me, if I want to send ring light, I can use lead generation, I can use conversion, I can use either of these two campaign objectives. So you can always tell ChatGPT to suggest to you the campaign objective that will give you results. Okay, let me see. Let me go further. Which of the campaign objectives will give me results if I want to make sales? So you are telling ChatGPT that this is your goal. Okay, you want to make sales. Are you getting my point? So let's see. You see, can you see? Select the conversion objective. Okay, of course, you can. That's why you need to understand that using the ChatGPT, if you look at Facebook campaign objective, now it has been summarized into 6. That's the ODAX. It has a different interface, the ODAX interface. And now the conversion objective is now sales objective. Okay. Well, ChatGPT is not giving you sales because it's a recent development. It's above beyond 2021. Okay. You can see what suggestion that we should use what conversion campaign objective, and other suggestions are coming up. So that is how you can use your ChatGPT. Now let's talk about audience targeting. Okay, you can say, okay, what audience? Okay, I want to sell ring lights. Can you suggest the appropriate audience to target for this appropriate audience to target for these products? You can put in bracket ring lights just to help your market research. Okay, so look at the age of the people, then in the interest, beauty and makeup, photography and videography. You see influencers, online shopping, target users interested in online shopping. Okay, behavior, online shopping behavior. Look at, so you can see different suggestions here. Okay, so you can tell ChatGPT, can you list in a bullet format audience that I can target for these products? Ring lights. Okay, so let's see. It will list the stuff out. You can see. So you can see these are just like ideas. This will give you ideas of who you can target while you are running your ads. Okay, you can see the keywords that you can target. So you can see any product that you want to, whether physical products or digital products. you can tell ChatGPT to help you do the research. And by the time you fine tune, you will get a list of keywords that you can really target on Facebook. Okay. So then I go to the next one. After audience targeting, we talked about content marketing, campaign selection, audience targeting research, then creating art copy. Yeah, creating art copy and attention grabbing headline. How do you create art copy? Okay, I've made the work very easy for you. You can come here and come to this section where we have Facebook ads. Okay, writing art copy that convert. You can click on it and you see prompts that you can use. Can you provide examples of effective art copy for specific product or service? Okay, so I can even come here. Let me just copy this and go to ChatGPT and say, can you craft, let me even use craft something else. Can you play the role? Can you play the role of a direct response copywriter and craft copywriter and craft ad copy, Facebook ad copy to promote ring lights to the above mentioned target audience. Okay, so you can see, you see. So this is my copy coming up. Okay, you can see illuminate your beauty, transform your surface and videos with our ring lights, the secret to a flawless professional glow. Are you a selfie Africanado looking to achieve that perfect lighting every time? A content creator who wants to shine on camera, a makeup enthusiast seeking flawless application? Look no further. Our ring light is your ultimate lighting solution. You can see, so, based on what I have taught you in this course, you know that you don't, when you are writing art copy, you don't use so much emojis so that it not look too spammy. Okay, so you can, the bullet point, you can leave those emojis. So the other, all these emojis, you can remove all these emojis. So I can copy everything here and rewrite it. Okay, so you can use different tools. There are different ways you can write your art copy. So I can come here, go to, let's look at an example here. Let me refresh. This is a live advert I'm running. It's a live campaign. And I'll just show you one or two things here. You can see that I'm having 35 leads, and this is for the 74 naira per lead. Okay, so I've been monitoring, and it is image. Creative is image. I'm not going to that for now. So let me just do a duplicate and just show you how you can use the art copy generated from ChatGPT. So you can tell ChatGPT to write art copy for you using a particular framework. Okay, maybe we have different types of framework: pass, that means problem, agitate, and solution. We have fab. Okay, we have different types of angles that you can use. Okay, so if I come here, I'll just come to this guy. I'll replace everything I have here. I'll just praise this thing. Illuminate your beauty. Okay, I'll come here. I'll go to my stuff here. I want to make it bolder, just to, that's the headline. Come here, then go back to my posts. Yeah, so I will say, you can see, remove this one, remove this guy. Like I use separators, just then transform your blah, blah, blah. I can remove this guy, put this one here, then remove this guy too. I don't want it to be spamming, okay? I don't want it to be spamming. I want it to be easily consumed, okay? I'll put stop here. The way I'm generating my hard copy. So I can decide to leave all these lists, okay? Then come here. Shop now. But so this is your call to action. You can even tell ChatGPT that, can you generate, suggest call to action to use? You can say, can you suggest call to action to use? So let's see. So it depends on you. If you want them, if this, since it's ring light and it's like physical product, you can say shop now. Okay, you can use shop now. You can see shop now. Shop now. Okay, you can use shop now. So you can go back to the copy. Okay, can come back here and go to and click on shop now, apply now, book now, download now. There is no shop now here. Then more or get offer. Okay, subscribe, apply now. Okay. So you just choose, since get offer, you can use or learn more. Okay. Then I can tell ChatGPT that it should generate headline. Can you generate attention grabbing headline for the above hard copy? Okay. In fact, okay. Yeah. So let's see. So it's generating headlines. Radiate confidence with perfect lighting. Elevate your content with a ring light. Unlock. So your headline should be benefit driven. Illuminate your beauty and brilliance. Shine brightly. So you can tell ChatGPT to generate more. Okay, let me use radiate confidence with perfect lighting, or elevate your content with our ring lights. So this will be my headline. So go back to where I'm doing running my ads. Then headline here, I'll put this guy. Okay. So I'll put this. I can go further. Let me rewrite the ad copy and show you something. Let me come here. So okay, see what we have now. So this is ad copy, right? This is the ad copy. I can say, can you generate 5? Can you generate 5 more ad copies? That means I want it to generate more copies. You see. Okay, so I have 5. You can generate as much as 10 ad copies, different variants. Okay, this is 4. This is 5. Okay, I can say, okay, I can say fine. Okay, I can say fine. Can you use the pass? So I'm just giving you different ways to generate your ad copy. Let me say, let me come back. Let me come back here. Can you play the role of a direct response copywriter and craft Facebook ad copy to promote ring lights to the above mentioned target audience? Okay, using the PASS framework. PASS framework means problem, agitation, solution. Is a copywriting writing angle or strategy that we, ChatGPT will, the copywriter will state the problem first, then agitate the problem and prefer your ring light as a solution. We have many framework. I'm going to show you before I just close round up. Look at what will happen now. Lesson. Add copy. See the problem. Struggling with poor lighting in your content. Don't let bad lighting steal your spotlight, dark shadows, unflattering selfie, and all that. You can see that the way you see ChatGPT wrote the copy was following this format or this formula. Problem, agitate. So when you are writing it, you don't put problem, agitate, solution. You remove it. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. You see, then shop now. You can see the call to action, shop now. So I can come here, copy everything here. Okay. Go to, yeah. Let me see, I want to write more than, and just because you can use more than. So I'll paste it here. What do I do? Add copy. Of course, I don't need this guy. So I remove this guy, this problem. They don't need to see that one. I can make it bold. Go to lingo sites. Okay. So come here. Yeah, agitate. Remove the agitate stuff. Okay. Put my stuff here. Then put my dash stuff. Remove the solution. Introducing our ring light. You can make it bold too. I don't like capitalizing. I don't use capitalization in my copy. I can capitalize the first words, but not all the sentence. I don't do that. So put this one there. Put my dash stuff. You can see. So that's what I'm saying. You can see it. Then just to make it readable. So shop now. That's a call to action. So this, you can, if you have a link, you can put your link, click on this link, and so you are done. I can say, okay, generate headline. You can see the way we generated headline. I can tell ChatGPT to give me what? More than, to generate more of this. I can say you can even say, can you list the different types of copywriting, writing framework. Copies. Let's see. AIDA. You can see these are frameworks that we use for writing ad copy. So many. There are so many. And you can tell ChatGPT, write ad copy for me to promote this particular product. If then you can say, oh, targeting this specific audience using problem, solution, agitation, PSA framework, writing framework, using before BAB or before after bridge framework, using SCQA framework, using BAP framework, you can see. So these are different types of frameworks. You can just get an ad copy and we generate about 20 different hard copies using different framework, and you test it. And that is how you use ChatGPT to write valuable content, hard copies, headlines, and all that. I hope this really makes sense to you. So if you need my attention, if you have any question, you can go to the Telegram group and you do so. Okay. And if you are interested in my mentorship class, you can also send a WhatsApp to me. Okay. I will see you in my next class. Bye for now.